Okay, today we are going to bring you Mastercraft series. Winnie the Pooh. This is a highly accurate recreation of the pop culture icon Winnie the Pooh. Mastercraft MC-020SP. Gold and Pearl Pooh with a gold bee on his nose. Beautiful rendition of Winnie the Pooh eating his barrel of honey. He stands approximately 10.45 inches wide by 9.25 inches deep by 12.6 inches high. And as you can see here, he is just beautiful looking. Now this is a duplicate of the one they have that's painted natural, but this is a special version, limited edition, one of 999. And the paint job will take your breath away. Look at the pearl. Oh, the pearl is just beautiful, and the gold is beautiful. This is one that you want to add to your collection. We have number 910 of 999. Winnie the Pooh, ladies and gentlemen. Who doesn't love Winnie the Pooh in his kind heart? Winnie the Pooh Mastercraft Special Edition MC-020SP. Make sure you add this one to your collection, ladies and gentlemen, because it really is a breathtaking piece.